Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Come on. See how much is in there.
I only put a little bit.
You want makeup on me.
Give me yan.
You go to sleep with makeup on?
Oh yeah.
I just fell asleep. So
Hey,
my
don't
fault.
ruin your face. Always put.
I passed
How
out.
can she do that?
Always remove your.
Whoa!
Good morning.
I need toilet paper.
Guys, sing na din si Gabriel, guys. And he's having donuts.
Oh, this is my favorite. I need my favorite.
Showing them.
This one. That's yours. Eat that one.
No, he want. I don't know what he wants. Just use with yours coconut. What you want, Gabriel?
Hey,
Yeah, I'm hungry.
You're gonna shower?
Mom,
Did you sleep all the
I'm
way?
not hungry right now because I was just showing you.
tired, huh?
Ah, okay.
Kent was tired
Sleep
too.
good.
He was like, oh God, I don't want to go to school today.
So, big boy na si Gabriel. Big boy na si Gabriel. Aray. Okay.
You're up to your mama's nose.
Ay, alo. Oh no! Where did you get that from? From him.
He's a hacker. What can you say?
He's teaching you crazy stuff. There.
My basketball player. He's
Be
playing
careful.
basketball.
I know, he's excited, right,
He's
Gab?
practicing good.
Right, Gab? You're excited for the basketball? You've been practicing in the extra room? Huh?
Some of it.
Good morning. Hello. Grabe. Morning, guys. Oh, you have to turn on the light. No, I'm not scared, but...
I think some of it is.
What?
I think some of it's because he's left-handers have a harder time because they have to go
Yeah.
a different way.
Yeah.
That's why you see some left-handers right upside down because it's harder because they're.
Right, yeah. Left-handed kasi si Gabriel. Kaya, medyo pangit yung writing niya. Pero okay lang yan kasi bata pa naman din siya. Maaayos lang din yung writing niya. Anyway. Magandang umaga. Donut. Binili ko to kahapon, di ba? Yan. Kapay tayo. Masyado pa maaga para magkape.
Hey,
I mean para mag-donut.
look, Gabriel, here's this. You want this?
Gawa tayo ng simple lunch kasi papasok tayo sa work. So ito yung ating outfit. Yayang-yaya ang outfit kasi yaya naman talaga. Ano pa nga ba? I'm a yaya. Gawa tayo ng tuna kasi i-heat muna natin yung ating oven. Then we're gonna make tuna sandwich. Dahil kahapon guys, nag-prepare na ako gawa ako ng tuna spread pa. So, wala lang, parang nag-crave ako ng tuna. So, lagyan na natin yan siya ng foil. Ano natin yung oven. Bake natin. Ay, preheat na pala natin. 350 lang. Para busog na ako guys. Bago pumunta sa work. Hala, ano bang nangyari here? Yan. Magkakanda leche-leche na ang aking That's my tuna. Ayan. And let's gonna use white bread. Sa totoo lang guys, iwas talaga ako sa white bread. But okay lang naman kung hindi ka masyadong maraming kumain ng bread. Kasi in my own experience ha, 'di ba? Nakikita nyo naman siguro, I lose a little bit of weight. But hindi nga lang siya mabilisan dahil kumakain din ako ng bongga, guys. Ganito mga tinapay. Kasi hindi kasi maiiwasan na wala kang tinapay sa umaga. So ayan, lagay lang natin. This one tuna spread. Nilagyan ko yun ng egg. At saka, onion, mga ganun. Wala lang celery, but that's okay. Oh, ayan na. Chokes na yan. Oh. Diba? Diba? And then, mag-grade lang ako ng cheese, guys. Eden cheese yung gamit natin. Ito pa yung nabili ko sinabay ko sa aking mga produkto. Hindi ko na siya binenta. Gagamitin na lang siya. Ayan lang. Oh, see? Very easy meal. Yan. Ox na yan. Let's wait for the oven to be ready and we're gonna put it in the oven.
The same color as my other one.
That's why I had to get two. So that will last for a very long time. Yes, guys. Kasi she's so dalaga na. She gotta have a makeup. Can't live without a makeup. It's okay. So sa Philippines, guys, we don't really let my mom used to not let us wear makeup when we're at her age. But here in the US, at siguro naman sa generation ngayon, guys, parang, ang generation ngayon is, bata pa lang, marami na mga tsurba, and we just have to, tanggapin na lang natin at saka support them basically, guys. Kasi, as long as naman na wala silang ginagawang masama, then, alam nyo na, okay lang naman, may makeup, konti. I always, naglagay na ako na guys. I always advise her na konting makeup lang makes your face pretty. Huwag yun too much kasi parang OA na masyado. Which is good. Actually guys, maganda to siya mag-makeup guys. Ha? Alam niya mag-makeup. That's good. It's a good thing. So malapit na maluto ang ating nilaloto. I think guys, i-pull out na natin siya. Tada! Oh, melt na yung cheese. Ayan, okay na yan siya, guys. Skip ito. Yan na. Tada! Para medyo toast lang siya ba? Toast ng a little bit. Siyempre, guys, I have my coffee. See? Yay!
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Magandang gabi! Siyempre guys, hindi tayo nag-film doon sa work dahil bawal. Pwede naman sneak peek lang. Minsan kasi pag weekends, andyan yung aming mga kliyente. So, parang minsan mahirap mag-video doon dahil baka andyan sila sa mga likod. Alam niyo na, nakikita. So, kailangan pa natin i-blur lang kalinga ang mamukha. Anyway, dito na po ako sa bahay. Kararating lang. Thanks. But I don't think I want it. Clean the table, please. For favor. So guys, I'm home. Work's done. Thank you so much, Lord. Anyway, work na naman tayo bukas, guys. At saka, maaga po tayo. So, yan lang muna for tonight. For today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.